Now we're going to sew the mock French seam. So now we're going to get our two sides, our two good sides, and put our good sides together. So good sides together, we're gonna sew down a 1/2 inch. Back tack. End it with the back tack. So now we're going to open up the seam. We're going to press it open. Once you've pressed it open, you need to get the end of the seam and press it towards the center. So we're going to press this down. Do this to the other side. So now that you've ironed and folded the seams into each other, you're going to grab the seams, iron it down onto each other one more time, and then you're going to sew both of them together down right on the edge. So now we're going to sew down the two pieces right on the edge. So again, we're going to back tack, sew, back tack. And then you're going to end it with the back tack. And again, the whole purpose of this is to have a clean finish on the wrong inside part of your dress or garments, so the inside is nice and clean and the outside is also nice and clean.